see you there. I was busy coding on my laptop. The great thing about coding is that you can code from any place, anytime, anywhere. I got my friend here, Bailey, boop boop kajoo, and we're gonna show you how to play hot potato using the microbit. So I got the microbit right here. I'm gonna turn it on by hitting the little button on the back. And now I'm gonna hit A to get the game started. So when this goes to a skull, that means the game is over. Hot potato with boop boop. Here we go. Still a potato. Still a potato. Ooh! I mean, technically she had it, but I'll lose. So you can see that it turned to a skull. Let's look at how to code hot potato on a microbit. Put the microbit into the USB port. So connect it like so. And then head to www.microbit.org. Once you've arrived at the website, notice the different tutorials that you can complete. Once you're in the tutorial, read the description, hit OK, and begin step 2. In step 2, it will tell you what to do. Add an event to run code when button A is pressed. Use the colors to help you line up and tell you which code to put in. Step 3. Make a timer variable. The light bulb gives you a nice visual of what your code should look like in this step. So if you're not sure what that looks like, because there are a lot of instructions there compared to step 2, click on the light bulb. I'm a visual guy, so I like it if my instructions are in pictures and not always words. All right, watch me code. So the last step is to hit download, go to your downloads, and drag that downloaded file into the microbit. After it's done blinking, you can unplug it and play hot potato. Thanks for watching.